Welcome to APM LEADCon 2024, Sustainable Futures, where the future of engineering and physical asset management best practices converges with global sustainability. Our mission aligns with the United Nations SDGs, striving for a sustainable, equitable future for all. Explore cutting-edge tracks like leadership in engineering, asset and risk management, asset integrity, and RAMs. Join thought leaders and innovators from around the globe, sharing insights and forging new paths. Engage in insightful plenary sessions, technical discussions, and an exhibition showcasing the latest industry advancements. Build invaluable connections, share knowledge, and collaborate on innovative solutions. Join us at Citadine Space City, Manila, from July 3 to 5, 2024. Together, let's shape a future where innovation thrives and our planet flourishes.